Hi guys, my name is Rushabh. Today we are going to learn what is the Java 8 features. So when the Java is introduced in 8 of March 2014, so this is a very revolutionary release of from the side of the Oracle towards the software's developer because it added the most of the features of a Java programming language, which will be start from the Java 8. We can use here various type of the programming concept like lambda expression and functional programming, which is firstly introduced in this version of the Java 8 in 2014. So when that Java 8 is came, it will has the various type of features. So that mostly features we are declare here, like it having the features like a lambda expression, functional programming, method reference, date and time API, various security enhancement, and like this. So we will discuss one by one what exactly these updates were came and what exactly the work of this update. So first is the lambda expression. So when we're talking about this lambda expression we define as is equal to sign and is like that greater than sign. So this lambda expression, one side is the method and another side is that method references. So this lambda expression we use to write our code in the functional style. That programming style, functional style program, we can call the program which will directly write without the methods, and there is the specific type of programming concept. But when we talking about this expression, lambda expression is used in this. After that, the method references. Method references particularly it is defined for reference to the functional interface that we are using the lambda expression in this. After that, the functional interface. Functional interface, it is there is only the single abstract method which is present in the functional class, functional interface. So that method we use to define that method in the lambda expression by the lambda expression. So after that, we have the optional class. Optional class we used here for import that class or use that optional class. We are going to import the package java.util.star package. From that package we are going to use the null pointer exception, and means it is optional class is used to deal with the null pointer exception specifically. So it for using that method of the null pointer exception, that method will be checked that variable considered any value or not, or else it will be deal with that exception. Default class is also there, which is used write a default method inside the sorry, inside the interface when we define the default method. So that default method we use the default keyword, a prefix of the method. So that is also the new feature of that Java 8 version. Again, there is the date and time APIs. Date and time API are there for we can import through java.util.datetime API. So that API will help us to add the date and time functionalities in our programming language. So when we're talking about this enhancement, the various enhancement is there, and one of them is the for each loop. That was also introduced in Java 8. Functional programming and for each loop, that are the various very most great features in this programming language. And for each loop we also know that it is also the type of functional loop. So there is a function we can declare int a, and we define one variable to iterate through over an array for the printing of an array or iteration purpose of a single parameter, single interface like a string or else array or this type of parameters when we are using So we use the for each loop there. After that, there is a string joiner. String joins are used for, we can use to add in between our string character a special character also, like underscore, underscore, comma, like this. So this is all about of these our functional programming, and this is all about our Java 8 features. Thank you so much.